Hey lovelies! I visited the Candy Floss store today, जहाँ अभी गोल्डन टिकट ऑफर चल रहा है और मैं देखते ही रह गई. Look at this! I'm in love with all their products. Look at me! I'm so happy and in love. Everything was just wow. They have a wide range of products, from plush toys, caps and pouches to stationery, home and kitchen accessories, kids' backpacks, and even stylish jewelry. During this golden ticket offer, get a QR code for every purchase and scan your luck to check what price awaits you. ये मुझे 10% ऑफ मिला. बट क्या पता, शायद आप हो सकते हो उस मेगा हैम्पर के विनर जिसमें आपको मिलेगा कैंडी फ्लॉस गुडीज worth ₹7,000. Oh my god, I'm loving this Candy Floss vibe. And also, there's a surprise in caption. Bye!